Pay homage to one of the greatest pioneers of early American music, a gentleman from the coal fields of the West Virginia line. Everybody that's fans of old-time music knows who Doc Boggs is. This is one of our favorite songs, and these songs, when I pictured this band and what embodied the spirit of what we were trying to do, this is the song that I've pictured, and we recorded it the first thing we did on our first project, the very first cut, the very first song we practiced. And we're going to do it for you right now, our version, and trying to keep within the spirit of the great Doc Boggs, one of his best, called The Little Black Train. Surely not. He turned to the wall and we see him there in tears. He got his business fixed all right. God spared him 15 years. There's a little black train that comes. Fix all your business right. A little black train that comes. It could be here. Tell the wrong way. All dressed in worldly pride, that Death Star train to come. Prepare to take the ride. Small baggage car, your idle thoughts and your wicked deed will stop at the judgment bar. There's a little black train coming. Fix all your business right. A little black train coming. It could be here tonight. To the gospel light, tell us we hear the whistle. Hey, little black train inside. Oh Lord, would you understand? I see my wicked plight. Have mercy, Lord, upon me. Please come and set me right. But death had fixed his shackle. But death had fixed his shackle. Up on his chain so tight before he got his business done. Hey, little black train inside. There's a little black train to come. Fix